Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your driveway in about half the time, if not less, that it takes to do it with the wand. This here is what I call the magic eraser. It's easy cleaner, and you can get it at your local hardware store for about $100, and it's worth every freaking nickel. This thing works beautiful. It works great on driveways, sidewalks, patios, decks, docks. If you've got a patio or a deck, a deck or a dock that's been painted and you're cleaning, you got to be a little more careful due to the paint peeling. But if you've got Trex or some other sturdier product, this works great for bringing it back. Anyways, if you've got the dad that's got everything and needs that perfect gift and doesn't have one of these, this will be the best $75 to $100 that you can possibly spend. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and everybody wins, because now you get the perfect, beautiful sidewalk and driveway. Wow, look at that. That turned out amazing. I usually do it once a year. Takes about an hour, hour and a half, and it's just back to brand new. Thanks for watching, and as always, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos for happy homeowners.